Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Manur. My department is PSPT. Today our presentation topic is Circadian rhythm. What are Circadian rhythm? Circadian rhythm are physically, mental, and behavior change that follow our 24 hours cycle. These natural processes respond primarily to light and dark and affect most living things, including animal, plants, and microbes. Chronobiology is the study of circadian rhythm. The branch of science which deal with the study of chronobiology is the study of circadian rhythm. Who is the rhythm work? Diurnal night and day, circadian 24 hours, ultradian less than 24 hours, infradian circulunar 1 month, 1 years. Coordinate rhythms examples. There are many examples of coordinate rhythms. The sleep-wake cycle, the body temperature cycle, and the cycle in which a number of hormones are secreted. Infradian rhythms have a period of more than 24 hours. The menstrual cycle is in women and the hibernation cycle is barrier of two examples. There are two examples of circadian rhythms. Circadian rhythms disorder types. Types of disorder: advanced sleep wake phase disorder, delayed sleep wake phase disorder, and irregular sleep wake rhythm disorders. Jet lag disorder, non 24 hours sleep wake rhythm disorder, shift work disorder. Example of circadian rhythms: in your body. Circadian rhythm can influence important function in our bodies, such as hormone release, eating habit, and digestions, body temperature. Circadian rhythm influences important function, releasing the hormone and eating habit, designations, body temperatures. Difference between circadian clock and circadian rhythms. The key difference between biological clock and circadian rhythms is that biological clock is an organism, an innate timing device composed of specific molecules that interacted with cells throughout the body, while what factor affect circadian rhythms? The rhythm and timing. Your sleep-wake cycle can change age because of change in your brain. In circadian rhythm, hormones such as growth hormones, melatonin, and cortisol, leptin, and ghrelin are closely associated with sleepy and circadian mathematically and basically regulating hormones regulating mechanism play important role in glucose and lipid in homeostasis. Why is the cardium so important? Circadian rhythms have an important purpose. They prepare your body for accepted change in the environment and, for examples, the time for activity, time for sleep, and time to act external cause are important. The strongest is the sun's light dark cycle. Artificial light also influences the plasma. Yes, second slide. A difference between accordion clock. Accordion clock examples: hormone release, eating habits, and digestion body. Main accordion rhythm disorder types: advanced sleepy wake phase disorder, delayed sleep wake phase disorder, irregular sleep. Examples: the sleepy wake body temperature cycle and cycle in which number of hormones. Infradian rhythm have a period of more than 24 hours. The menstrual cycle in women and the hibernation cycle is barrier. Cardium, cardium rhythms work. Diurnal night and days, cardian 24 hours, ultradian less than 24 hours, infradian circular, lunar 1 years. What factor cardium rhythm affect besides sleeps? While the sleep-wake cycle is one of the most prominent cardium rhythm, these 24-hour cycle play a vital role in virtually all systems in the body. In the rhythm of hormones such as growth, melatonin, cortisol, leptin is basically circadian rhythm is the cause of release hormones, increase hormones, regulating hormones. What is cardiac rhythm is so important? Cardiac rhythm is so important. Just see second slide. Have an important purpose. They prepare your body for accepted change in the environment, and for example, the time for activity, time for sleep, time to eat, time to sleep, time to work. External cues are important. The strongest is the sun light dark cycle. Dark cycle, light cycle. Artificial light also influences the place mark. How do you maintain circadian rhythms? Limit caffeine, alcohol, nicotine, and some medicines, especially close to bedtime. Manage your exposure to light. Light is the strongest signal in the environment to help reset your sleep wake sleep. You may need more sunlight during the day and less artificial light at night from TV screen and electronic devices. Basically maintain cardium rhythms. Time to bed, sleep, time to medicines, and manage your exposure light. Reset your sleep wake cycle. You need more sunlight during the day, less artificial light at night from TV screen and electronic devices. What is the healthiest cardium rhythms? Basically, adults should have a pretty consistent cardian rhythm if they practice healthy habit. Their bedtime and wake time should remain stable if they follow a fairly regular schedule and aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep mostly must 7 to 9 hours of sleep every night. Maintain cardium rhythm time to sleep. Even 9 to 7 to 9 hours sleep every night. Adult likely get sleepy well before midnight as melatonin release into their bodies. What are the disadvantages of cardiac rhythms? Thus, in addition to the prominent sleep and wake disturbance, cardiac rhythms disorders and associated with cognitive impairment, mood disturbance, and increased risks of cardiometabolic disorders. Does cardiac rhythms affect memory? Cardiac rhythm is the rhythm in which the cell of the body function within a 24-hour cycle. Each cell has a rhythms and it is in line with the body clock. Body clock. Circadian systems are crucial to the working memory of all animals and humans. Basically, coordination affect control to bed to sleep, time to eating, and time to medicine. Take to rest even 7 to 9 hours daily every night in adult. Thank you. This is all my slide. Thank you.